Hello, Pokemasters, Dungeon Owners, and my Cookie Kids. Today we are gonna play Deer Hunter 2018. So I will skip the tutorial for now because everyone has to do it. And the first 3 stars because I've already owned Texas almost. Like I only need 2 more stars left to own Texas. And I have now opened myself the dog hunting and as well as the fish hunting. So let's begin. When you just download Deer Hunter, it takes so much time to start it. Such a thing, man. Yeah, so I got to the main menu after about 2 hours, and now let's go to the adventures. Okay, so I will put a poll next time about choosing which one should we do after I unlock these two. I am first gonna open the rifle one because I need to finish the first area to get Texas, and second of all, I need to try. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay, now I'm. Okay, so I need more. Yeah, so I'm gonna play rifle because I need money to upgrade my gun or whatever. Yeah, so I got this class 4 ready already, but I have class 3 already, so I do not want it right now. Cause see this gun right over here. The muzzle almost fully upgraded. The stock fully upgraded. The scope on level 2. The barrel is awesome. Everything is so good. Let's start the hunt. Again, the loading, man, Deer Hunter. Yeah, well, this is gonna be highly easy. Simply because infrared, aim for the heart suit. I need more money. Okay, so this game does not actually kill deers because I do not want to be harsh on deers because I love animal life. And second of all, this is just tranquilizing the deers so that we can you know what I mean, right? To heal them, yeah. And it says kill, but it's not actually kill because I'm scared of killing deers, and hunting is illegal in every place on earth. While yeah, whatever. I speak nonsense sometimes, or maybe every time. Ask my sister. Yeah, about my sister. She's gonna join me next time on my channel. So Kodiak bear. These guys are dangerous. I'm scared of these guys. Let's start the Kodiak bear. Noise. It's right over here. That's gonna be good stuff. Should I kill the doll? I'm not tranquilize the doll. I don't think so. I'm not gonna do that. Nice hard shot again. Yeah. It's gonna be a cringe. Everyone's first video is a cringe, right? Question marks everywhere. Yeah, so Kodiak bear next. Loading! Advertisements are so annoying. I'm not gonna buy the VIP pass. See the advertisement. Why do you wanna waste money on things which nobody's gonna care about after some days? Simple. Oh yeah, this is gonna be hard. I'm gonna take the shotgun out for this one. Rifle is looking good. I'm deciding to do shotgun contract now because it gives more money. Bobby! Yeah, so now shotgun contract. Let's start. Customize, attachment, build attachment. Yes, attach. Hunt number 2. Yeah, so yes, Tiaka deers right now. Attachment gives you more aim. I did not know that because I played Deer Hunter 2018 in 2018, as most people supposed to do, right? Or am I just dumb?
Not supposed.
Tell me in the comments.
You are dumb.
SRSLY Arya.
You should not reveal names on YouTube, you idiot.
Everyone does that, miss. Yeah,
But
so
I don't
I'm just
want to.
arguing with my
Dumbo.
bigger sister.
It's older
People
sister or
tend
elder
to
sister,
say.
not bigger sister. No, I won't.
Right? No, it's not. Now, please let me play. People of the world, irritating. Not you guys. Not you guys though. If you subscribe and hit the like button. I don't know why did I say that.
Idiot.
I don't know why did I say that. I am such a weird dude.
Attention seeking idiot.
Arya, please. Yeah, so loading again. SRSY. I like more to say SRSLY than like normal people because I'm not normal. I'm abnormal. Where are the doll sheep? Okay, there they are. And there they go. Die. Just kidding. Get tranquilized. I don't know why we are tranquilizing with a shotgun, but what else? Oh my god, no! No! Oh yeah, we are just getting specimens for our lecture in the zoology group. I'm a nerd. Say nerd summers in the comments because I am the biggest nerd ever seen in the world.
Specimens of lecture in zoology.
Dear Hunter Miss. Arya is such an irritating lady, some sort.
What
Alaska.
the lady?
Lady, you're a lady.
I'm not an adult.
You're not an adult, but you are a semi-adult because you are a teenager.
What is with you and this conception of teenage?
The only thing is that you are interrupting me.
I don't care.
Sarang, hey. Oh. Pee. Aboy.
Stan BTS.
You're a BTS.
You wish.
No, I don't wish because
BTS.
my sisters are big fans of BTS because I don't know why.
They are
Oh, hello, they are the biggest boy band in the world.
I
The best
semi like
people.
BTS, but they're okay.
Do you
The Mommy
You
song by
are-
Sunday is better.
You are going to anger millions of armies around the world. Your video is going to get more dislikes than likes, you idiot. Do you even know what you're doing?
Arya, I need to edit right now. I just need to edit. My gun looks handsome. See that scope and that muzzle. Yeah, I'm gonna at the end of this episode. I am gonna take down what is this guy called again? Oh my god, why I'm going to the home screen? The Black Fang. So next, what's a Yakun? It's a moose in Yakun. Duh. Why am I speaking to myself in the front of the video? I am a stupid person. No, I'm gonna infrared. I need to hit in the heart because tranquilizing for heart problems, putting medicine into a moose is better than killing it. Duh. Everyone knows that. Do you know that? Tell me in the comment section below. And if you do know that, hit the like button. Yeah, so mature grey wolves. What is that? I know. They're grey wolves. I am a stupid person. If I'm a stupid person, tell me that in the comment section below. And if you think I am, hit that like button. Mature grey wolves. I don't think anything is mature in this world because, and I have no need to say that. Okay, shoot. Long shot. Nice. Now shotgun. I need to take the shotgun. Oh my god. He's coming for me. Good. Yay, boys. Yeah. What should be our like goal today, Yavi?
2 likes.
Yeah, good enough. Well, I just started, so yeah.
Maybe 2 or 6.
6
is
is
way
too
too
much
much.
for the first video.
But 6 is yet good. Those doesn't.
If you think that I should get 6, I am worthy of 6 likes on the first video, you gotta hit that like button.
please hit it.
What the hell?
Stop!
Stop with the TV, idiot.
I know, I am the dumbest person on earth.
Edit.
You need to edit this so much.
Okay, so yeah. Should I upgrade right now? Yeah, I should. Upgrade. I need 91. Oh my god. Stability. How much? Just 2. Well, ammo is better, but it takes more money. Zoom. Yeah, zoom is enough. Zoom 1 is enough. Yeah, so now stability. Should I do the stock? Yeah, that's the only thing which I can do. Oh, the muzzle is max. I am stupid. I'm so stupid. I'm a stupid idiot. If you think I'm stupid, tell me that down in the comment section below.
How much did
I just said comment section below. Why are you getting angry?
They know that.
Everyone knows that, okay? Now let's upgrade. Okay, 290, 360. Ooh, this is good. 440. Done. Ammo. 780. Oh my god. Man, these guys are robbers. They take so much money, man. Why am I coming to... I'm gonna do some grinding right now. So, meet you in a while. Yeah, while I was doing that, I just got a level up. So, yeah, 5 gold, 5 energy. That's what you get by leveling up. So, meet you in a while again. Yeah, so I got enough money. So, now I'm gonna upgrade this. And let's do it. The last part of the video. Let's do it. I say, like, if you have played Deer Hunter a time before, then it's easy. The first ones are easy. Easy as pie. See? Meet you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye, bye, bye. Bye, bye. Bye.